Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations there are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, get rid of that. Sure, that level pertains. It's not relevant right now, though, and from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter are everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Thursday, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.40 as resistance, but now that the price got above it, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. Beautiful example there of that resistance now acting as support. So $1.40 is going to be the ideal level, meaning if the price can stay above there, that would certainly make the chart look the best. With that being said, I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.40, that means the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above $1.40, that definitely would be a big sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.40, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart a little bit. Good problem to have. It'll be hard to see, but always good when you have to go back into a chart's history like this. Next key overarching level of resistance, well, first one in the near term is just, from where the price stopped going up today and from where the party stopped at $1.47. But after $1.47, nothing until those highs from, let's see, when was that? Way back in basically mid-April, up around the $1.50-ish mark. So overall, though, at the end of the day, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, building these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps remain in play, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance, but definitely a good week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.